Seeing apricot in a dream in season. Seeing an apricot in a dream means money. Seeing apricot out of season in a dream means illness. A fruit-bearing apricot tree in a dream represents a rich man. However, it is said that an apricot tree in a dream also represents someone who suffers from a serious illness and is of little or no use to others. On the other hand, it is said that an apricot tree in a dream represents someone with a cheerful face, who is courageous and defends himself, but who is stingy with his own family. When the apricot is still green and unripened in the dream, it represents little money. When it ripens and becomes yellow in a dream, it denotes greater profits. Eating a ripened apricot in a dream means being generous and charitable, or it could mean recovering from an illness. Breaking a branch from an apricot tree in a dream means a dispute with one's family or with a friend. In general, breaking a branch from a tree in a dream means claiming someone's money or denying him his money, or it could mean failing to perform one's prayers, neglecting one's obligatory fast, or misusing and damaging someone else's property. Attending an apricot farm in a dream means trustworthiness and dutifulness. It is also said that an apricot tree in a dream represents a hypocrite because yellow in a dream means illness and hypocrisy is an illness. An apricot tree in a dream also represents a wealthy woman. Plucking apricots from a tree in a dream also could mean marrying such a woman. Harvesting any fruit-bearing tree in season in a dream means pleasures and work, except for the mulberry tree, for here it means toiling, hardship, or waste of time. Plucking apricots from an apple tree in a dream means impressing unjust rules upon others. In general, a yellow-colored fruit in a dream signifies illness. A sower tasting fruit in a dream signifies distress and sorrow. Apricot in a dream also signifies fear, bringing things under control, things returning to normal, or it could even mean pleasant gains.